Take a look at this channel. It has over 50,000 subscribers, and one of their videos has crossed 100 million views. And what are they uploading? Just frozen animal rescue videos. Right now, this niche is exploding, and there's very low competition, which means small channels can grow fast. So today I'll show you how to create these viral frozen animal rescue videos using AI. Let's start. First, open Flow AI. Choose Create Image. Select the image model Nano Banana Pro, then choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Now open the document link in the description. Copy the image prompt from there and paste it into Flow AI. Here you can change the animal you want. For example, I'll type eagle. Now click Generate, and within seconds, our frozen animal images are ready. Choose the one you like most and save it. Now let's turn this image into a video. Go to Frames to Video inside Flow AI. Upload the image we just downloaded. Go back to the document again, copy the video prompt, paste it here, and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds, and look. Our frozen animal rescue video is ready. Save it. Here's another one I generated using the exact same method. And you can create unlimited videos just by changing the animal or the environment. That's how you can create viral frozen animal rescue videos using AI and grow faster on YouTube. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Revron for more AI tutorials. And comment below which viral AI niche you want me to cover next.